Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Welcome to project number 11. In this project, we're gonna make some laser cut earrings using acrylic. I chose to go ahead and make some earrings because someone had asked me, hey, if you're making necklaces and charms and jewelry, how about making some earrings? So I was like, okay, cool, I'm gonna make some earrings. By the time this video drops, it's gonna be St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day to everybody. Hope y'all wearing y'all green. In this project, I'm gonna make 3 pairs of earrings. I'm gonna make some 4-leaf clovers. I'm gonna make an M and I'm gonna make a W. I'm gonna show y'all everything that I'm gonna use in this project and what the design looks like. So let's get off into it. All right, so here's the acrylics that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use green, this glitter silver, and this glitter gold. Clear E6000, and I got the little tip to kind of go with it so I can easily put it on the backs of these right here. And I got the earring backs, and I got the earring flats that you back flats or whatever you call them to put on the outside of them also. Here's the designs that I'm using right here. As you can see, I have the 4-leaf clover. I'm going to use this one as green, and I have these M's right here that I found online. These are going to be glitter silver, and these are going to be glitter gold. As you can see, I found the Wu-Tang Clan W. I think that's pretty dope. So let's head over to the laser and cut it out. Alright, pretty cool, man. I like how it turned out. It turned out way better than what I thought they was gonna do by being so small. Look at the glitter on the silver. Pretty shiny. There go the gold glitter. I already peeled the tape off of one of them. Yeah, it's better to put the tape on it or put some type of masking on it because these are pieces of acrylic that I do have. Did not come with masking on it, so that's why I use the blue tape. Let's peel the paper off the rest of them and put it all together. There you have it, man. Project number 11 complete. Laser cut earrings. Man, I really like those earrings. I'm gonna have to experiment a little bit more when it comes to those earrings. If you like this video, man, hit that thumbs up. If you haven't already, man, hit that subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next project. I had to pull out my phone to finish this recording because my battery went dead on my camera. I think I'm the only YouTuber that probably has 1 battery for his camera. I need to get another battery. But just know, when St. Patrick's Day come, they gonna think I ain't gonna have any green on. But I'm gonna hit them with them ears, and I'm gonna be ready for them. So they better not try to pinch me.